What you're hearing is a traditional Chinese song called Jasmine. Just one part of the celebrations meant to mark 40 years since the compilation of the Tazara Railroad, also known as the Uhuru Railway.
Or the Uhuru Railway is the best gift the Chinese people give to their best friends. It is fair to say that Tanzara is well known all across China.
Because China.
These celebrations have been organized by the Chinese embassy in Tanzania and by the government.
To me, this event today it has been a great marketing event for Tazara.
Part of the celebrations included a train ride from Dar es Salaam to the Selous Game Reserve.
I'm Jonia Kakiziva from Tanzania. It's my first time to be in this trip in Tazara train. I'm so excited. I'm very happy for being here.
For many, an opportunity that won't soon be forgotten. Tuli Shabalala, CCTV.